I'm Janet Kacharik from Big Ideas Learning, and today we're going to take a look at the Skills Review Handbook and the Basic Skills Handbook. The Skills Review Handbook and the Basic Skills Handbook provide teachers, students, and parents with an online resource for prerequisite skills practice. Available on our website, www.bigideasmath.com, as well as on the Pupil Edition CD, these worksheets, written by Dr. Ron Larson, can be printed and completed at school or at home. Parents can access the answers online so that they have the tools to help their child at home as well. Now let's take a look at the website to see the Skills Review Handbook and the Basic Skills Handbook. On our website, bigideasmath.com, there are 3 places where you can access the Skills Review Handbook and the Basic Skills Handbook. The first place is under the Teacher tab. Here you have the Basic Skills Handbook and the Skills Review Handbook. Both handbooks are the same for each grade. Also, your students can access the Basic Skills Handbook and the Skills Review Handbook under the Student tab. And finally, the parents can access these handbooks under the Parents tab. Let's start by taking a look at the Skills Review Handbook. The Skills Review Handbook consists of over 80 prerequisite skill worksheets, organized by topic. The topics range from work with whole numbers, fractions to decimals, and percents, to perimeter, area, surface area, and volume of 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional figures, to data analysis and counting principles, to measurement and geometry, to expressions, equations, and functions. These worksheets review skills learned as early as 1st or 2nd grade. We all know that there are students in our classes who will benefit from reviewing those previously taught skills. Now let's take a look at one of the pages in the Skills Review Handbook. Each page of the Skills Review Handbook has several parts designed to increase the student's understanding of the topic being reviewed. The first part is called the Key Concept and Vocabulary Box, which reviews the topic and its supporting vocabulary terms. The visual model provides a diagram to help students visualize how the concept works. There are several skill examples for the students, and an application example is provided so that students can see how the concept is applied to a real-life scenario. Each of these pieces fit nicely onto a 3x5 card to create study cards or to use as a review game or activity. Descartes' Practice Makes Perfect includes both skill and application practice. The answers to this section are available to parents online. Now let's go back and look at the Basic Skills Handbook. After having your students complete a worksheet from the Skills Review Handbook, you may find that some of your students need more review broken down into a simpler format. Or perhaps you have some special needs students in your class who need a modified version of the worksheet found in the Skills Review Handbook. For those students, Dr. Larson has also written the Basic Skills Handbook. Let's take a look at one of the pages. The Key Concept and Vocabulary Box has been simplified to provide just the basic information necessary to be successful with the topic being reviewed. The steps provided are more concrete, more visual, and free of distractors so that students can focus on the main understanding of the topic. Practice Makes Perfect includes a smaller quantity of skill practice problems stepped out to provide these students with visual cues to help them complete the exercises successfully. As you can see, the Skills Review Handbook and the Basic Skills Handbook are valuable resources that you can use for review.